According to industry insiders, Apple will launch no less than 3 new handsets before the year is out, despite its most recent release, the iPhone X, being just 2 months old. Apple's current offering of iPhones have already seen a significant increase in screen size. The iPhone 8 boasts a 4.7-inch screen, the iPhone 8 Plus is 5.5 inches, and the OLED iPhone X has a 5.8-inch screen. The new iPhone XL, which is set to hit the shelves in September, will feature a giant 6.5-inch screen, Apple's largest so far. Reports in the Korea Herald suggest that LG Display will begin shipping OLED panels for the new device in the second half of 2018. While LG panels will be used for the iPhone XL, Samsung will remain the primary supplier of OLED panels for the smaller models. Earlier this year, claims made the rounds that Apple was paying LG £1.99 billion for its OLED production lines to become exclusively dedicated to iPhone screens. Tech analyst Ming-Chi Kuo of KGI Securities claims Apple has ditched the home button in all 3 of its upcoming models in favor of its Face ID system. According to Mr. Kuo, the tech giant is also working on a lower-cost handset with a 6.1-inch screen that will use Apple's LCD technology instead of OLED screens. This lower-cost handset will allegedly differ greatly from the OLED models like the iPhone X, with a lower resolution allowing for a lower price point.